so much. Hi! If you guys know this first song po, nakakantahin ko po para po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Kasi ako, I love the sun. Kulang na lang payong. Pero okay, I love the sun. How's everybody doing out here? I wanna see also, kasi I am born and raised in Cebu. Meron ba tayong mga Bisaya dito? Maayong hapon kayong tanan! I'm so happy. I had just flown in here from Manila, and as I was recalling po with the TFC team. By the way, let's give it a hand for my TFC, for our TFC family po. 30 years, and of course po, next month po, ASAP in Vancouver naman po. We had just concluded ASAP England po, and it was such a great time with everybody. So we're very, very excited po na maki-party with all of you po sa ASAP in Vancouver. If you don't have your tickets yet, of course, just follow mytfc.com, check out the websites, and you can get our tickets there. But it's gonna be super, super fun. Lahat po ng paborito nyo mga artists, mga celebrities po nandun po, and it's gonna be amazing. And so I'm just very, very, very happy to be here po in Mississauga, just to be able to sing more songs for all of you. And muli po, thank you so much. Sa mga nandito, I know some of you guys have been here since kanina pa, since sound check pa. Thank you so much for enduring the heat and just enjoying it. We're gonna make it so special for you guys. Alright, for this next song I wanna sing for you guys. I mean, a lot has happened since the very first time that I was here. The very first time was back in, I think, 2016. And it was with, ang dami namin din ng mga artists. It was for One Kapamilya Go. It's actually not my first time here in Canada, but every time I'm here, kahit na medyo, I mean, we're known here, it's known to be like very chilly, pero it's so warm getting to perform for our kapamilyas and kababayans here. So thank you for making that so special for all of us. But since then, I had started to write music din po. And during the pandemic, I got into songwriting and producing along with my team. I started a label as well. And so I wanted to sing an original song po na ako po mismo nagsulat alongside my husband din po. And I'd like to share it with you guys. So if you got some friends here who actually don't understand Tagalog or Filipinos, Bisaya, I think that's what's great about the Filipino community also, or just the Filipino culture. We also speak a lot of English. And so, ako as a Cebuano pa, I think in English, maybe that's just me. And so when I started to write, I wrote in English. So here's a song that I wrote that I'd like to share with you guys. This is from an EP that I released during the pandemic, and this one is called Will You Stay? Sana po magustuhan. Hi! Oh, thank you! So I'm just gonna hold this the whole time. Thank you so much. Dagang salamat. Nasaan po? Manila. Hello, I was born in Lahog, Cebu. Ay! Represent! Thank you, Date. Thank you so much. Thank you. Can you sing it? You know the song Golden? She's shy. It's okay. My husband is also from Quezon Province. Taga-Sariaya po siya. So, are you ready to take down the golden child? Okay, let's give it up for Joy, guys! Now I'm shining Here says something, a gift for being so gay from TFC. Thank you so much. Thank you! Yun yung basta. Ano ka ba yung last? May nakatulak sa next purpose dito. Do you have any favors? Actually, hindi pa natin napuntahan yung mga natin. Hi! Mainstream and theater. Tapos nagsama sila. So, and so so basically, I would like to sing this song and that is a special request. Ate Rose, hey, this is for you and this is for you guys mga kapamilya. Sana po ay, itong kantang to ay mag-serve po as inspiration po para pagpatuloy po lahat po na pinagdadaanan po natin dito, and may it continue to lift us all and just inspire all of us to continue to defy gravity. This is for all of you guys. Thank you so much. Continue to endure the struggle, of course, of being abroad just to be able to make it for their family. And so, in behalf of everyone, of course, sa TFC, sa Mix, sa ABS-CBN, sa ASAP, maraming salamat po at saludo po kami sa inyo. Mabuhay po. This last song that I'd like to share, we got a whole lot of surprises for the rest of the day, but this next one, sana po magustuhan niyo po, and I hope to invite all of you to sing with me on this one. Thank you so much. Daghang salamat. Have a great afternoon and a great event, everybody. Thank you so much.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? You know what, I'm so happy na andito ako ulit. So nice to be back here and to see everybody having so much fun. Wow. Hi! Hello! Alam nyo, may I love you too, pare. Pero may kwento lang ako, sobrang saya ko ngayon kasi sa mga nagfa-follow sa akin, the past week was kind of difficult for me. Nawalan po ako ng boses. Kaya sobrang saya ko, may boses ako ngayong araw na to. Pero, syempre, kailangan ko pa rin yung tulong ninyo. Yung susunod ko nakakantahin, isa sa mga ni-request ninyo. Tignan natin kung alam ninyo yung kantang to. Yung song na to, ni-record ko 2003. Yung iba dito siguro, hindi pa pinanganak, ano? Pero tignan natin. So, hope you enjoy this next song. If you know the words, please do sing along with me, alright? Here we go. Alam niyo to? Alright. Matagal na dito sa Canada. Sige, mga baguhan muna, mga 5 years. 10 years. More? Higher? 15 years. Oh, 20 years. 30. 40. Wow. 50. 60. Pero, syempre, iba pa rin yung ano, di ba? Nakakamiss din yung Pilipinas, di ba? Kahit anong gulo, kahit anong hirap ng buhay, iba pa rin ang Pilipinas, di ba? So, minsan, it always gives us hope na looking forward to go home sa Pilipinas, di ba? But, in a way, that's what we are here for. We want to bring part of the Philippines dito sa inyo. Siyempre, lalong-lalo na malapit ng Pasko. Ano? Panaog? May mga taga-Iloilo dito, mga Ilonggo. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ako po ay isang puro-purong Ilonggo. Taga-Iloilo, ged. Damo, kalig Ilonggo, no? Paano nyo nalaman na Ilonggo ako? Pero eto, I'm sure tayong lahat mahilig tayo kumanta, di ba? Naririnig ko kayo kanina. So titingnan natin yung susunod ko na gagawin. Tingnan natin kung alam niyo pa rin yung kantang to. So, try natin to. Okay? Try ko, pwede bang bumaba? Alright, wow. Alright. Alam nyo, kanina, narinig ko may kumanta ng Golden kanina.
Marami tayong mga magaling kumanta sa audience, Jed, just like
Wow!
you. Kaya ngayon naman,
Pwede ba tayong mag-invite?
yes! Sino ready dito kumanta? Alright, mga tayong ready. So, meron tayong Champion A Cappella Challenge.
Roy!
Yan.
Sing a la champion. Ano ba yun?
Yes. And then we will choose from the audience. And then, ang gagawin ni
tatlo.
Tatlo.
We need three. Three volunteers.
Sino gusto mag-volunteer?
Gusto ko yung ano hindi lang magaling kumanta, gusto ko yung confident na confident. Ha? From this side. Get one from this side. Yung mahilig kumanta. Can you bring somebody? Ha?
Okay. Meron po ba tayo dito?
Yung Ayan siya yung naka-blue daw, naka-blue hat.
Blue hat. Yes.
Yeah.
Come on, stage.
Come on stage, ayan.
Ayan, we need two more.
Can we help her? Can somebody bring her here on stage?
Can we assist?
Yeah?
The one wearing blue hat? Come on over on stage. Sino dito ang nerd?
Dita. Ito may tinuturo sila dito. Ha? Yung magaling kumanta, yung malang ages yung boses, ha? Over here, the lady in the shades.